I'm going to show you guys how you use the Dyson Dupe. This is an alternative to a Dyson, but half the price. This is a high-speed hair dryer that creates natural curls without damaging the hair. First, I'm going to show you guys each gadget. These are the curls, and then we have the dryers. I love that this Dyson Dupe is multifunctional. It's easy to change the attachments, and it's easy to go with you on the go. To start off with, I'm just taking down my hair, and then we're going to go in with the dryer just to dry my hair. I did want to show you guys some of the adjustments that you can make. You can make adjustments to the heat level, but also how much air you're getting on your hair. Once my hair started getting dry, I did go in with the brush, and then I also applied the hair dryer just so I can make sure I'm getting it as flat-ironed as possible, of course without actually flat-ironing it. I also turned up the heat just because that ensures a flatter look. After I blow dried my entire head to make sure it was fully dry, I went in with the hair brush. This is going to give you the flattest look ever. When you're using the brush, you really want to make sure you go slow. After blow drying most of my hair, which of course I was really happy with, then I went in with styling. This is style number 1 with a headband and a poofy blowout look. Style number 2 was me trying the curl tools out. The Dyson alternative is also adjustable, so you can make it go in or out depending on which way you want your curl to fall. The key to using the curler as a hair dryer, you want to start from the ends and you want to roll toward whatever way you want your curl to roll toward. And then I like twisting up and out just to give me a fresh curl. I added these curls right under the headband, and that was for style number 2. Style number 3 with the dupe, I wanted to do something light and fresh, so I just did a curl, and I was obsessed with this hairstyle, and I did a bun. And guys, this is the finished look. Love you guys. Bye.